Well, every one of us is pretty well aware of the boom of AI technologies right now, from everyday use to research application. So agentic AI is a recent advancement in the AI field, and is different from previous attempts because it has autonomy. So agentic AI can plan a multi-step analysis executed by interacting with other sources like databases and tools, evaluate intermediate results, and adapt its strategy along the way. So it's like for us clinicians, it's like the difference between asking a colleague a quick question or asking them to investigate something and to define a complete analysis and coming back with a more thorough result. So the data we presented at ACTRIMS are centered on MedCP, which is one declination of agentic AI. MedCP stands for Medical Model Context Protocol, and it's an infrastructure. It's a framework that sits between the researcher and two clinical resources. So one is an electronic record database. In our case, is the University of California, San Francisco EHR. And on the other side, there is Spoke, which is a database of databases, meaning biological knowledge graph, which collects information on over 50 million curated concepts from 45 databases, meaning genes, diseases, proteins, pathways, drugs, and all the relationships between them. So the researcher can ask a question in natural language, in plain English, as we have now been used to do with common GPT-style AI tools. And the system allows to perform queries, to perform analysis, and to return complete result, including the processes and the steps that it has taken in order to get to this result. So it's also transparent and reproducible. So we tested the system with 100 biomedical questions of different complexities, starting from simple lookups to actually emulation of clinical trials in real world data. And we saw that advancing the knowledge that the LLM has through SPOKE, so through curated biomedical knowledge, allows us to inform more detailed result, diminish the hallucinations, so improve the performance of this tool. And this is very crucial because, as we know, AI can be prone to hallucination, and enriching the parametric memory of the system with external sources of memory actually seems to be a useful way to address this issue. So yeah, so these are the core advancements of our framework, which is again one of many frameworks that we will be most likely we will meet in the next few months. So trying to advance and accelerate, democratize the access and analysis to big data for researchers through AI systems.